Hello class, it's Mr. Ringer. It's finally nice to actually see you, or you can actually see me. It's something a little different. We're going to do math this time instead of science. As always, we're going to start off the lesson on what it is. Today's going to be linear equations and solving it with one-step variables. Okay? Like always, we're starting off the class with the quote of the day. The quote of the day is, you must tell yourself no matter how hard it is or how hard it gets, I'm going to make it, by Les Brown. This is a very powerful quote. It's telling us to never give up. Don't let anything be in our ways and never give up ourselves. Everything's gonna be okay in the long run. Just continue pushing through and being that great person you are, okay? Okay, today's daily objective, like always. At the end of Mr. Ringer's lesson, students will be able to solve linear equations with one variable, and they will show their understanding by getting 4 out of 5 questions correct on their exit ticket. The exit ticket will give you guys a little bit more time this time around. It'll be 5 questions, real quick, easy. You guys should be able to understand it very well by the time we get through this lesson together, okay? Okay, let's go over and talk about linear equations. Okay, how we want to set up linear equations is ax plus b equals c. Sometimes they're not like that. Sometimes they're mixed around in different ways. Like this one, for example. This one is minus 4 equals 2x. X is the variable here. Mark x with the variable plus 6. Okay, let's move around again, like make it look like ax plus b equals c. We don't always have this, but we can. We're moving over, 2x plus 6 equals negative 4, you see? Okay, what's the next thing? Okay, we want to get this 6 on the other side here. So, since you're taking the other side, we want to subtract it. Okay, so I'll use a different color marker this time. Minus 6 equals, well, we go over here and we're just going to write minus 6 again. Draw a line to keep it mixed up. So what's 6 minus 4? It's going to be negative 10. Okay, on that side, so negative 10 equals 2x. Okay, what's the next step after this? Next step after this, we're going to get rid of this 2 here because we want x to be all by itself. Okay, so we're going to do 2x. We're going to take the other side. When it's usually a variable and a number, you want to multiply. So between the other side, we want it to divide. Okay, class? So we're going to do 2, divide over here, 2, a 2. Okay, now you guys remember the rules when you multiply or divide by a negative number? It stays negative. A negative plus a negative makes it positive. In this case, negative is going to stay negative. So the answer here is going to be negative 5. Okay, nice, quick, easy, simple. So we're going to go, do a couple more, we're going to do like a couple more complicated ones. So let me erase this real quick. Let me look at my computer and pull up the one that I want next for us to go over. Okay, this time I'm going to throw in another variable for something different because that was very easy and simple, okay? So what we do here is 4p star minus 11 minus p equals 2 plus 2p minus 20. Okay, guys, this is going to be a little more challenging, but you should be able to get it still. Yes, we're working on one variable, but this one give it something a little harder, challenging, because it's not going to take long to master this. Okay, let's look where our variables are. We got one here, here, and here. Okay, we want to make sure all of them are together. So what's the easiest way? Should we subtract them or move them to each side? Look here, let's just subtract them and subtract the 2p here and bring it over. So we'll do that. 1 minus 2p minus 2p here. So there's 2p here, so it would be negative 3p. So we're going to end up with just straight p here. So we'll rewrite it. P minus 11 equals 2 minus 20. Okay? Okay, since 2 minus 20, we should really combine them because they should be together. So really it's going to be negative 18 minus 11 plus b. Okay? So here next, what we're going to do, okay? We're going to add 11. Take 11 to the other side here. So plus 11 plus 11. Oops. So we'll get there P equals what? -7. Okay. It's nice, quick, easy, simple. It's not going to take long to do and master and understand. Okay? We'll go over a couple more, and we will move on to a quick little review of what we need to do and exactly what steps to follow. Okay? Let me find one here that's a little more challenging. Okay, we'll go back to another easy one. Okay? Now this is like we're looking like A, B, and C. Okay. So we're gonna move the 6 to the other side. So -6 equals 3x. Divide by 3, divide by 3, x equals 1. Quick, easy, simple as that, guys. If you guys have any questions, don't forget that you can email me and I can help answer those questions. If not, keep on doing great. Thank you guys. Have a good day.